All right, guys, so we're out here. 2 poles out. Got bells on them, got lights, got everything that needs to be out there. I picked these up for some trout. Don't know if trout's gonna bite tonight, but why not just throw it on there? It's size 18. These things hit. You put a minnow on here, a bobber, and a split shot. That's it. If they want it. Anyways, got him. All right, guys, I think we got something. He's back. He's back. He's just hanging around it, trying to see if he can get it off. Got his ass. See, my hook sets are just fucking great. Don't call me Cat Bassmaster for nothing. Baby, I get me some fish. Hey, look, he just tried to get himself stuck in between something. Not today, buddy. Not with stainless steel line, you're not. You can try. And we don't even have a net, guys. This is just like yesterday. Oh. Aw. It's a little guy. It's Hector. That's Hector. So this is why I have the fish grippers, guys, because I'll put it right in there when they want to. Put it right up in there. You ain't even got to touch them. I do know how to touch them, but after getting stung so many times, you just fuck that. Pliers, pop it out. Nice little, maybe a pound, maybe. Nothing crazy, but he was fighting pretty good. I gotta give it to him. And then you just let him down. This doesn't come with it. I just put that on there. Oh, he might, yeah, he might be. Got his ass. Second one, guys. And I have my friends with me who are also subscribers, so they get to see this shit live. We're all chilling together. I'm not even actually as cold now since I actually put on a second hoodie like Ace Boogie. I'm gonna have to say this might be a carp, but then I feel like it might be a catfish. I'm gonna say a catfish because it's not really pulling. I think it's a catfish. Yep. Decent one. There you go, guys. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing. Just throw another hot dog out there. I'll show the cast, but I'm not gonna show me putting it on there. Got one. Hopefully I turned on the camera right when that shit happened. But I know it's recording, so we're good on that part. I think since I only have a couple more minutes here, it's almost about to be 10 o'clock. I'm just gonna, is this still recording? Yeah. The flash just went off. I still have him. He's still here. Oh shit. I got 2 fish on now. Oh my God. I literally got 2 fish to deal with right here. This has never happened to me. This right here, 2 poles going off, and it's on video. Let's go, guys. This is the way to end the video right here. Let's see if we can get both of these fish. I still think I have the first one. I got the pole in between my legs because I don't have a pole holder where I'm at. I have a pole holder, but I don't have anywhere to stick it. Yeah, he's still on there. So I'm gonna try to get this green one up in here first. Oh yeah, this one's trying to get away. Hopefully you guys can see everything. Turn on the light a little bit brighter. Another catfish. He's gonna have to chill there for a second while I get this one. 2 poles down at the same motherfucking time. Yeah, boy. That's them right there. That's the brother and the sister. That was great. Well, guys, I'm gonna chill here for a couple more minutes. Fish without the camera on. Let these guys go. And you guys stay tuned for more videos. There will definitely be, especially when the summertime comes back around the corner. Man, shit's gonna be popping. So you guys don't forget, subscribe.